Hello friends. So we have a question on complex number. We are given a complex number z1 equals to 1 plus bi, where I is root of minus 1, and z2 equals to 1 minus b square minus 2bi, where b belongs to real number and b is not equals to 0. So we have to find an expression for z1 into z2 in terms of b, and then we have to find the argument of z1 into z2, and we have been given that it is, if this is equals to pi by 4, we have to find the value of b. So first we have been given z1 equals to 1 plus bi and z2 equals to 1 minus b square minus 2bi. So let us try to identify z1 into z2. z1 into z2 is basically the product of these two complex numbers minus 2bi. On multiplying this, when we multiply 1 by this is 1 minus b square 2bi, and when we multiply by this will be plus b into 1 minus b square into I minus bi into 2bi. So 1 minus b square minus 2bi plus b I minus b cube I minus I into I would be minus 1, so this is plus 2b square. So let us simplify it further. What we will do is separate the terms of I and real part and the complex part. So what we get is 1 plus b square plus I, this would be minus b cube. So z1 multiplied by z2 is equals to 1 plus b square plus I into minus b cube. Now let us move on to the second part. In the second part, we have been given that the argument of z1 into z2 is equals to pi by 4. So the argument of z1 z2 has been given as pi by 4. So we have already identified the z1 z2 complex number. So the argument of this complex number would be tan inverse the complex part divided by the real part, and this will be equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse of this is equals to pi by 4 means this must be equals to 1. So minus b cube divided by 1 plus b square equals to 1 minus b cube equals to 1 plus b square. Here we can take minus b common, so we get 1 plus b square equals to 1 plus b square. Taking this to the right, so minus b into 1 plus b square minus of 1 plus b square equals to 0. So we get is 1 plus b square or minus b minus 1 equals to 0. Now b square plus 1 cannot be 0, so minus b minus 1 must be equals to 0. So b equals to minus 1. So we have our solution, that is b equals to minus 1. And in the first part we have already identified z1 into z2. So we have solved both the parts. For more such questions, do visit our website www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed solution.